Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to log into Dutch Bangla Bank. So guys, go to Google and search for this option and click login, as you can see here, and click this first one option. After that guys, you see this bank, and from here guys, click login, this one option from the top right corner. And after that guys, wait to loading this page. Just wait a few seconds and you will redirect this page guys, and after that enter your user ID and your password as you can see here. If you want to log in on your mobile device, write this one and download the bank from Google Play or Play Store, this bank. And after download this one, you see login option from here. From here you see login, and just like this, and login your account with your user ID and password and continue steps. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment and I will answer your question.